So this is the VR box unboxing. I got this from a shop in town. Yeah, the name is just VR World. It's a basic thing. Yeah, it can be used as the cardboard viewer. Yeah, let's see what's in the box. So we get this. Get a pretty cool VR headset and a very good earpiece. It has some papers here which I believe you should remove them. Yeah, you can just remove these papers. Yeah, so this is basically it. So here you have the place where you place your phone. Um, try- so you place your phone in this thing. Physical stuff. We have this to wipe your lens, and we have this to prevent your buttons from being accidentally pressed in the process when your VR is inside. Yeah, that's basically it. You have a manual, uh, an angle you're advised to sit in, focal length is whatever. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, it's